Hi everyone, and welcome to my new video for beginners. Today we're going to do a practice exercise together on one-point perspective. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. As always, I start by drawing the horizon line. The horizon line should be drawn straight and parallel to the top and bottom edges of the paper. Okay, well this point will be the vanishing point in this drawing. In one-point perspective, the vanishing point should always be on the horizon line, not above or below it. Okay, in this exercise we will draw many squares or rectangles. Let's draw the first one. According to the rule in one-point perspective, there should be a line from each corner of the objects towards the vanishing point. Let's see how it works. Okay, good. But what about this corner? Why didn't we draw a line from this corner to the vanishing point? Because this rectangle has a surface and we can't see behind of this surface. So there's no need to draw a line. Now, let's draw the top and the side. We have three surfaces now. Let's draw another one. Well, as you can see, we have 4 points and 3 surfaces. Let's draw another one. This time, make it smaller. During this exercise, you can draw rectangles of any size. Okay, good. At this point, I should tell you about a few important rules of one-point perspective. All horizontal lines should be parallel to the top and bottom edges of the paper. Also, all vertical lines should be parallel to the right and left edges of the paper. Now let's draw another one paying attention to what we've learned, okay? Good. Now I'm drawing another one, but this one will be different. Please watch carefully. We have 4 points, right? But we have 2 lines. Why? Where are these 2 lines? As I said before, this rectangle has a surface and we can't see behind of this surface. So there's no need to draw these 2 lines. Got it? Let's add another one real quick. The steps are the same. Draw lines from each corner to the vanishing point. Okay, now let's draw a rectangle right on the horizon line. As you can see, we've got 4 points. But remember that this rectangle has a surface. So we'll draw lines to the vanishing point starting from just 2 points. We can't see lines starting from other points. Well, now let's draw a bigger one on the other side. With what we have done so far, I believe you understand the logic behind this. Okay, let's try something else. If we want to draw a rectangle behind the other, what do we do? Here we see 3 points, right? But in reality, the shape is like this. There's another rectangle in front of it, so we can't see this part of the shape. This part is all we see. Okay, this is what it actually looks like. But we only see it like this because of the other shape in front of it. Well, from now on, we're going to draw loads of rectangles or squares like this. It'll probably take a while, but I'm speeding up the video here so you don't spend any more time on it. I know that time is very precious these days. Anyway, in this exercise, we're going to draw shapes until we've used up all the space on the page. The sizes of the shapes are up to you. It doesn't matter if you draw them big or small. The important thing is to apply the rules of perspective to every shape you draw. The pencil or paper you use for this work isn't important. You can use any kind of paper or pencil, even a page of a notebook if you're in class or a piece of paper in your office. Your lines do not need to be drawn properly. As long as you follow the rules of perspective, you will be fine. If you have trouble drawing straight lines starting from the vanishing point, you can use a ruler. There is no rule that says you can't use a ruler. Try drawing with a horizon line in a different place in each of your works. To explore different visual effects, sometimes place the horizon line near the top of the page, sometimes near the bottom. You can also play around with where the vanishing point is. Sometimes choose a vanishing point near the right edge of the paper and sometimes near the left. You'll see that these changes can help you improve and you'll enjoy it too. You can do hundreds of exercises like this at any time of the day and at any opportunity. Just create a little time for yourself. Day by day, you will realize that you are now a professional in perspective. This is not a distant future. Be sure. You don't have to do shading at the end of the exercise, but if you like it, go for it. You can also add color to your work. Paint your shapes in different colors or draw with a different colored pencil for each shape. It's all up to you and how you like it. Do not make this kind of work an obligation for yourself. There is no rule that a work of art cannot be left unfinished. If you get bored while working, stop. Take a break, have a coffee, go for a walk, hang out with friends, listen to music, go shopping, or take a nap. Then come back and continue your work. Your artistic adventure should not become an obligation. It should be a joy for you. Perspective is not rocket science. It just has some simple rules that are very easy to apply. Once you learn these rules, you will never forget them. Even if you have been away from drawing for years, you can still remember the rules of perspective the moment you pick up a pencil and start drawing. Today we have only worked with 1-point perspective, but there are also 2-point, 3-point, 4-point, and even 5-point perspectives. You need to learn these patiently, because there will be times when you will have to use perspective in your artistic work. Don't worry, you will overcome it. I know sometimes you feel tired, but art requires patience. In the future, some of your artistic works may take days or even weeks. It doesn't matter. What matters is how you feel while working. If you enjoy it, keep going. My channel has got a bunch of videos especially for beginners on perspective. There might be some videos that are a bit too hard for you to draw at the moment, but you'll at least get an idea. You might find them useful. I suggest you take a look at my videos. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Bye.